Hello friend, how are you today?
Fine, young boy. You look very excited. May I know the reason?
I enjoyed my math period today. Our teacher taught us about comparing large numbers and I understood them well. I even answered all the questions my teacher asked.
Good. But if you understood the lessons and did not have any doubts, why have you come to me today?
I am curious to know how the Pandavas and Kauravas learnt about comparing large numbers. Will you please tell me?
Why not? Sit down first. Let me tell you how the princess learned how to compare large numbers, how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. One day early morning, Guruji asked the students to collect flowers to perform a puja. Guruji divided them into two groups and sent them to the Gurukul garden. They started plucking and collecting the flowers in their respective baskets. After they were done plucking flowers, they placed the two baskets in front of Guruji.
Make garlands from the flowers you have collected, and while doing so, count the number of flowers you have collected.
Both the groups made their garlands, and one garland was made using 456 flowers, and the second garland was made using 579 flowers. Bhim and Duryodhan, who were in the group that made the second garland, booed at their friends of the first group. Guruji noticed this. He got angry.
This is not a competition. You should never laugh at others. You will be punished for being arrogant. Look at those two bowls of rice. Duryodhan and Bhim. Take one bowl each and count the number of grains in your bowl.
We are sorry, Guruji. We will never laugh at others. Please forgive us.
You should apologize to your friend and still count the grains.
Duryodhan and Bhim apologized to their friends and sat down to count the grains in the bowl. While counting, both got confused a few times and had to count from the beginning. After a few hours, they finished counting the grains.
What is the number of grains in your bowls?
56,720.
5,720.
Now, which of you have more grains in your bowl?
Nobody could answer. They were unable to compare large numbers.
Okay, before starting the puja, I shall quickly teach you to compare large numbers. The first step in comparing the numbers is count the number of digits in the given numbers. The number with more number of digits is the greater number. So, here is 56,720. There are 5 digits, and in 5,720 there are only 4 digits. So 56,720 is greater than 5,720. Now, Dushasan, tell me which is greater, 67,890 or 8,790?
In 67,890, there are 5 digits, and in 8,790, there are 4 digits. So 67,890 is the greater number.
Yudhishthir raised his hand to ask a doubt.
Guruji, how do we compare two numbers that have the same number of digits?
Good question. The first step in comparing the numbers is count the number of digits in the given numbers. If both the numbers have the same number of digits, start comparing the digits from the leftmost digit onwards. Let's check which is greater among 67,890 and 67,590. Starting from the leftmost digit, we have to compare the digits in each place and find which is greater. Here, the leftmost digit is in the 10,000s place and the number is 6 in both numbers. As they are the same, compare the next digit, that is in the thousands place in both the numbers. The number in the thousands place is 7 in both numbers, and again they are equal. The next digit is in the hundreds place. We have 8 in 67,890 and 5 in 67,590. Now which is greater, 8 or 5? Yes, so 67,890 is greater than 67,590. Bhim, say which is greater, 82,345 or 94,567.
Both the given numbers have the same number of digits, 5. By comparing the digits in 10,000s place, we have 8 in 82,345 and 9 in 94,567. 9 is greater than 8. Therefore, 94,567 is greater than 82,345.
After the puja, when Guruji was about to distribute the prasad, he asked them to stand in an ascending order, increasing order of their age. So Sahadev, the youngest, stood first, then came Nakul, Dushasan, Arjun, Bhim, Duryodhan, and then Yudhishthir. Guruji distributed the prasad to everybody.
Now that you all understood how to compare two large numbers, let us learn how to arrange large numbers in an ascending and descending order.
Guruji handed each student a bundle of palm leaf manuscripts with slokas written on it. Each bundle had a number written on the top, indicating the number of slokas in it. He asked them to arrange the bundles in an ascending order according to the number of slokas they have. As the numbers were large, they were unable to compare and looked at Guruji for help. So Guruji explained to them how to frame the ascending order of numbers. First, read out the number of shlokas on your respective bundles.
22,349.
6,789.
23,567.
78,420.
7,843. 56,123.
6,725.
First step in comparison of numbers is to compare the digits in each of the numbers. Students, those who are having 4 digits numbers stand together. And then students having 5-digit number of slokas stand together.
As Sahadev, Dushasan, Bhim are having 6,725, 7,843 and 6,789 shlokas respectively. That is 4-digit number of shlokas. They stood first. Then stood Dharma, Nakul, Arjuna, Duryodhana as they had 5-digit number of shlokas.
Sahadev, Dushasan, Bhim. You three have the same number of digits of shlokas. Now compare the leftmost digit of your numbers. Both Bhim and Sahadev have the same number in the thousands place, 6, and Dushasan 7 in the thousands place. Both Bhim and Sahadev will come first, followed by Dushasan. Now compare the number in hundreds place of 6,789 and 6,725. Again, in the hundreds place, both have the same number 7. But now, in the tens place, both have different digits. That is, 8 in 6,789 and 2 in 6,725. 2 is smaller than 8. Therefore, 6,725 is less than 6,789. Therefore, the ascending order of these 4-digit numbers are 6,725, 6,789 and 7,843. In a similar way, we compare the 5-digit numbers. First, compare the numbers in the 10,000s place. It is 2 in 22,349, 7 in 78,420, 2 in 23,567, 5 in 56,123. As 2 is smaller than 5 and again 5 is smaller than 7, Yudhishthir and Arjun both will come first, then Nakul and finally Duryodhan. Now both 22,349 and 23,567 have the same digit 2 in the 10,000s place. We compare the digits in the thousands place. We have 2 in 22,349 and 3 in 23,567, and 2 is smaller than 3. 22,349 is less than 23,567. Therefore, the ascending order of these 5-digit numbers are 22,349, 23,567, 56,123 and 78,420. Now, the complete ascending order of number of shlokas you have are 6,725, 6,789, 7,843, 22,349, 23,567, 56,123 and 78,420. I hope you have understood the concept well. Now, please stand in the ascending order according to the number of shlokas you have.
The children stood in an ascending order of number shlokas they had with them. Therefore, the numbers when arranged in ascending order were 6,725, 6,789, 7,843, 22,349, 22,569, 56,123 and 78,420. While standing in this manner, Duryodhan seemed unhappy of his position in the line, with him standing last and Bhim in the first place. Guruji noticed this and made them to stand in the reverse order and explained to them about the decreasing order.
In descending order, the greater number should come first. So, which is the greater number among your numbers?
I have the greatest number, 78,420.
So you come front. Next, which number?
56,123. And it is mine, so I will stand next.
Good. Others also read out the numbers in descending order and form a line.
Yes, Guruji.
So next in line came Arjun with the number 23,567. Then Yudhishthir with 22,349. Sahadev with 7,843. Dushasan with 6,789. And last came Bhim with 6,725. In this manner, Guru Drona taught them the ascending and descending order of numbers.
Children, recall the symbols used for less than and greater than. So now, Bhima, which is lesser? 34,567 or 56,789?
34,567.
Sahadev, which is greater? 23,789 or 12,789?
23,789.
In the given set of numbers, which is greater? 45,028, 45,678, 46,780 or 45,723?
It is 46,780.
This was how the princess learnt how to compare large numbers, how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order.
Thank you for telling me this interesting story, friend.
You're welcome, child.